I am very excited to give you guys a close look at the Cat School Cat Training Kit today. Here is everything that comes in this cute little box. We have got this little bag that gives us our clickers. Here, this one is fully extended, and then we've just got our regular little clicker here with the piece on the back that allows you to easily secure it to your finger and use it, and then eventually it'll register with your cat like so. Yeah, see, she noticed that very easily. And then we've got our little quick start guide here, little booklet. Gives us a bunch of different tricks that we can do and ways to use this kit to get the most out of it. Awesome, lots of great info in here. Now I'm going to show you really quick a fun trick that you can do with this guy here. In fact, I could extend it more. All right, here it is, fully extended now. Goes out pretty darn far. Now I'm going to show you guys me using it with my cat because she has learned how to jump. All right, here we go. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Good girl. All right, this is an awesome kit and I would highly recommend it if you want to train your cat. I've taught mine to sit and I've taught her how to use this fancy little wand here. It is super duper fun. Oh, I need to give her more treats. All right, make sure to grab the Cat School Cat Training Kit. It is such an awesome kit for training your cat.